Hey guys, so I'm outside of my building right now. I moved back to Dallas and it's super different than anything I've ever lived in, and I'm about to give you guys a sneak peek and I'm super excited. I'm obsessed with these blue doors. Super cute. I'm not going to show you all my apartment number. It's not the same exact furniture, but I'm just obsessed with the style of this building. So this building, I believe, was built in 1918. Have your little washer and dryer back here. I've got a couple new items. This is gonna be from World Market, duh. But everything else, you know, is in my last video. Everything basically in my apartment is either from World Market or Z Gallery. Definitely my two faves, but I love all the natural lighting in here. I loved that this had a fireplace even though it's not working. Down through here you have a little bit of a hallway. You have my bedroom here to the left. Your kitchen is tucked back here, and then your bathroom. This bathroom is like probably one of the reasons why I picked this place, and also this exposed pipe. Everything still has all of the old charm of an old building. You can check out this tile down through here, subway tile that the owner added. Now, there is no storage in this apartment, but you know, we make it work. Got this little silver thing from Home Goods. Still love it. You know, I went from having a ton of cabinet space in my bathroom to none, but I somehow made it work. I could not have asked for a kitchen to have more cabinet space. Like, seriously, this is great. Always wanted an apartment that had a kitchen window. I got it. But honestly, since there's really no storage space at all, I had to use basically all of these cabinets here for storage. Never lived in an apartment that had a gas stove, so that's pretty exciting. All of this space here is like storage. I mean, I have all my cleaning supplies up there. I have spices in there. I even above here have had to keep like all of my paper items, which, you know, you get creative when you don't have storage. Coffee station here, right above, perfect for your coffee mugs. By the way, I'm obsessed with this. It's so different. Usually I live in high-rise buildings, so I appreciate this so much, and it's been so fun to actually see how all of my stuff that I owned before in my super modern high-rise building is actually still working in this place. Okay, so bedroom time. Now, this painting above my bed's not gonna stay there, but I just was putting it there just to kind of figure out where I'm gonna put it. But bedroom, as you can see, it's a trend in this apartment. There's so much natural light. I had no closet space at all. As you can see here, there's like a tiny closet. There's some storage up there. Now, I spent a lot of time researching what I was gonna do, and you know, IKEA solved my problems here. I don't even know if you can tell what this is, but this is basically an IKEA pack system. This is new, but this is like an extra closet. Like, so if you ever move somewhere that has no closet space, don't be sad. You can still make that work. I hope you guys liked what you saw. I'm super excited about my new place. I love different spaces. It helps you be a little bit more creative when you are decorating. So let me know if you guys have any questions, and stay tuned for more.